At minus 71 degrees Celsius, even breathing can freeze.
I do not move to escape. I move to follow life. The herd needs to feed.
One broken strap out here means losing everything.
The taiga offers no real shelter. It only traps the wind.
We cannot stop until darkness forces us.
When the sun sets, the real fight begins. A small fire cannot conquer the deep cold, but it keeps the hands working.
If they survive the night, we continue the ancient road. In this land, endurance is not a choice. It is the only way forward. The river ice is hidden beneath the snow. We must test every single step. Steady now. The open path offers no safety. The whiteout blinds the eyes, but experience guides the feet. Eat well, my friend. The journey ahead demands all your strength.
I must watch their rhythm. A slowing herd brings danger to us all.
The great wind arrives! It tests everything that stands! Keep moving! Do not let the snow bury you! We cannot push through this! Stop here and form the line! Hold the sleds tight! We cannot lose the gear to the wind.
Now we wait.
The worst has passed. But the trail is gone.
You are strong. We survived the wind.
The ice beneath is still treacherous. We cannot delay. The days are short. The taiga will give us wood. We need fire tonight. The shadows fall quickly here.
Dry wood is light. I still stand against the dark. A fragile warmth. But it is enough.
We share what little we have. Tomorrow, the road demands more.
The leather grows brittle in the deep cold. It must hold. The forest is never truly silent. Our time here is done. We must find the river! The taiga hides money traps. The open ice. It will be faster, but much colder. The ice is solid. Follow my stems exactly. Do not break the rhythm! Careful! A broken leg out here is a death sentence. Others have passed this way. But the trail is old. These tracks lead toward the ridge. We follow. A little further. We rest for a moment. Eat while you can. The wind is rising again. It returns! We must find the trees before it hits! Faster now! The taiga will break the wind. We go deeper. We need thick cover tonight. This place will do. The fire must catch quickly tonight. The wind howls outside, but we have heat. We have enough to reach the end. The night is over. The cold awaits. Fresh snow is deep. Walk in my footprints. Easy. The roots will trap the sled if we rush. The open road again. There is no path out here. There is nowhere to hide out here. The ice shifts beneath the powder. Tread lightly. Keep the line tight. Do not drift away. Oh! Take what the land offers. We have crossed the worst. The final stretch remains. The runners must be clear. We cannot drag dead weight. A little further. We rest for a moment. Eat while you can. The wind is rising again. It returns! We must find the trees before it hits! Faster now! The taiga will break the wind. We go deeper. We need thick cover tonight. This place will do. A small fire. Eat, my old friend. We have earned this rest. Sleep lightly. The cold never truly rests. The sky clears. It is time to move. Everything must be perfect. The great migration continues. We endure.